get to the safe zone.
I think we should jump down, no? Yeah, jump down.
Oh, I hate them so much. I'm going to your mark.
You better be going to my mark.
Oh, of course someone's dropping fucking damn. Nah,
No,
they're dropping earlier, never mind.
They're far from us. Don't worry.
They are dropping earlier. Master Bateman.
You're so low.
What?
I don't know if you'll make. Are you gonna make it to my thing?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh shit! How many fucking people are? Holy fuck!
Here?
Look
Okay,
how
1,
Damn.
2, 3, 4.
Oh
Liel! They're in our spot.
shit! Two people are following you.
Fuck, I don't have any weapons.
Alright, lads, let's get it done.
Wait, grab the nade and throw it. Throw it in here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
It's outside.
Never mind.
We gave away our fucking position.
Shut up.
We just gave away our whole fucking
Shut up.
position.
No, we didn't. It's okay.
Shotgun for you.
Whoa! That just scared the shit out of me, dude. Fuck you, bitch. Dude, that guy scared the piss out of me.
Damn.
I killed 2 people.
Very nice.
Get fucked. Alright, where to next? I've tasted blood and I want more.
I'm gonna get on the ceiling here, see if there's anything.
On the ceiling here. As you can see on the ceiling over here,
Where the fuck are you going?
I'm exploring. I'm venturing off. Ooh, box.
There's a helicopter.
We could take it. Ooh! I'm gonna take that. Thank you very much. Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Worldwide. As I step in the room. I'm a hustler, baby. Damn, she knew.
Are you taking that, or can I take it?
Take it. Because tonight, it's just me and you. The wise words of Pitbull. Pitbull the Great. Let's go to the helmet chopper. The Hellman chopper. Whoa! Stop! Oh, never mind. We should be careful. Trust my instinct. Mad heebie-jeebies, dude. I'm getting the jeebies over here.
Don't lie.
I'm getting the jinkies. Mad heebie-jeebie vibes, dude. Are we close to the Hellman chopper?
Wait a sec.
Nick.
Nickelodeon! Ooh, I found another upstairs.
I found the helicopter.
But I found several more upstairs-iness.
But I found the Hellman. The Hellman chopper. Alright.
Fuck!
What?
Oh,
Liel!
fucking scared.
Liel! It's me! It's me! Alright, let's go.
I just exactly where you were.
Get in the Hellman!
But we have shitty ammo.
I have good ammos.
I don't!
Get to the chopper! We gotta go. Alright, good.
Well, this
Huh,
wasn't
there's just
really...
one guy over there. Fuck that guy. You know what? Fuck it. Let's. Oh, where am I?
Where the f are you going? What? Why? Why? Why?
I don't know what happened,
Why?
but my finger switched seats, and I
Why?
couldn't get back into the seat in time.
No, you're not understanding what I'm saying. Why?
My finger pressed left alt, which is the
Why?
switch. My finger pressed the button and I switched seats!
Fuck you!
No! Dude. My finger fucking...
Watch me!
Alright. The enemy is to your right. To your right. Good shit.
Yeah!
Good shit. Alright, I'm up. You can't watch me, so I'll have to follow the Moon Spirit UA.
That's right. I'm going to our original storage town area.
Oh, motherfucker. I'm so fucking pissed. I'm so fucking pissed. You're rich.
Sure am.
Hi, how are you? Ooh, free snacks. Yeah, yeah. Everyone knows where you are in a 8-mile radius.
It's okay.
It was worth it.
It was worth it.
The free chips was worth it. What are you trying to do?
I want to see it grow if it breaks.
Then why did you stop? Oh my god, drive. Oh my god, dude. Leah, you gotta get your ass out of there. Oh my god, where are you going? Leah, what are you doing? What are you trying to accomplish with these maneuvers? Oh my god, dude. This is the worst driving I've ever seen in my life. Good job with the park.
Thank you.
Astute parking. Not to be racist or anything, but Asian people's. Brace yourself. Oh.
Ooh.
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 Ooh. Nab it.
I just gotta secure the intel.
Oh, box ahead of you. Leo, sniper!
Ah!
Leo, no! Don't go for the box. Leo, you're gonna get sniped. What are you doing? Get out of there. Get out of there, Leo. Okay, crawl towards the door. Crawl towards the door. That was the most weak shit I've ever seen. That was so weak. That wasn't manly at all. That was just fucking like. That was so weak. You barely survived that.
But I survived.
But you survived.
Quick thinking, am I right?
Ooh.
To the
That's definitely your car because it's fucking smoking and parked really bad. Oh man.
How did they get me? Oh shit! What happened? Oh my god!
What
You see the amount of dead people next to that guy? He's just been camping there shooting people from everywhere. That was the most unexpected. How the hell did he hit me? Albania friend.
What? What?
What?
K pasta?
Pasta? We should have dropped in the military base.
Alright, Leo, watch the sick kill. Ready?
I can't watch. I'm in the gulag.
Did I get him? No, I didn't get him. Alright, I see a box over here. Please bless me with your blessings. And I got... I'll take it. We good. We good. Now I gotta find a vehicular device. Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus. Oh.
Holy shit! Holy shit! My sniper! My sniper! My sniper! Yes! I kind of need you in here though.
For what?
Cause like, I don't feel safe without you.
I don't care. Man up.
Next house, to the next house. Okay, stop!
Hi, how are you? Whoa, what is this? Leo, can this be driven or no?
What?
Can this thing be driven?
On the right? No.
Whoa! I'm dead. I died.
Fuck! 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 No! No, I had the perfect loadout again! I had the perfect loadout and didn't get a
Can I
chance
ask
to
you a
use it.
question? What are the odds? What are the fucking odds that someone was right there fucking waiting?
I am so
If you survive, you earn your freedom.
pissed. Why do you get such a badass looking guy and I don't?
Look at his beard, dude. Look at his bandana and his fucking glasses and his fucking gains, dude. The arms. Ooh. Hellman chopper. Hellman. No! No! No!
Why do yours loads quicker than mine? I'm still not
Yes!
in.
I killed someone in a helicopter! Somebody was parachuting down, and I fucking chopped him up. That was amazing. Oh no, not again. I switched seats mid-air and I fucking died. You know? Why'd you drop?
I don't really know.
Why would you do that?
Kind of stupid.
Why? Why? Leo, why would you do that? I'm literally right over it. Oh my god, Leo, why would you do that?
Well,
I'm back.
you weren't here this whole time. I was talking to myself.
Yeah. Oh.
Woo!
Oh, she lightning.
Hell yeah!
Oh,
Right
hey.
here.
Hi, how are you?
Oh!
Nice.
12 seconds later.
Okay, wait.
Oh!
Fuck!
What the fuck?
How? How? Shoot him!
Oh! Ah!
Ow! Ow!
Dude, he fucking walked in right into my face.
Wait. Now.
Bet.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I'm gonna kill this motherfucker right now.
Enemy soldiers coming.
He killed me. I'm rage quitting.
You're what?
I'm rage quitting.